Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delightful toffee bouquet. This thoughtful gift is perfect for Mother's Day or any special occasion. First, let's gather all our ingredients and tools. You'll need basic pantry staples, plus some craft items for assembly. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get to the heart of our bouquet, the toffee itself. Combine butter and sugar in a saucepan, stirring until melted. Continue cooking until your candy thermometer reads exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature ensures perfect crispness. Quickly pour the golden mixture onto your prepared sheet and add your favorite toppings. With your delicious toffee cooled and hardened, it's time to transform it into a beautiful bouquet. Break the toffee into charming, irregular pieces. Gently insert a wooden skewer into each piece, ensuring it's secure. Then, wrap each toffee pop in a small square of clear cellophane. This keeps them fresh and adds a professional touch to your edible flowers. Finally, let's arrange your stunning toffee bouquet for presentation. Place your toffee skewers into a decorative vase or a small pot. Use tissue paper or crinkle paper to fill any gaps and hold the skewers upright. Finish with a beautiful ribbon tied around the container. Your thoughtful, handmade toffee bouquet is now ready to be gifted and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.